Here we go. Coming.
Right behind you.
Welcome to downtown Halabadu. The last known resting place, the Task of Ganesh.
Spectacular. What?
Doesn't it look like there's a dam or something between the two Ganesh statues?
Must have been eroded by the falls.
So how do we get in?
Hang on. Yeah. Look at the crown. It's not wear and tear.
You're right. Maybe it was a watchtower?
Bet that's how the Persians got in.
I have heard about this place for so long. I can't believe I'm actually looking at it.
You should take a picture. Send it to your dad.
Great idea.
What? You one of those cultures who can't work a computer? Just take the picture. Show it to him in person then.
No, it's just a few decades too late for that.
Look,
Oh, God, please, no. It's fine. Shall we, head over to Halabadu?
Yeah. Come on.
Hard to believe it's real.
No! No!
Hard to believe it's real.
Imagine what it took to make this. The craftsmen, the engineers.
Yeah. Their work still stands. But they're gone. Maybe their king should have used their wealth to protect his people and not make such an inviting target.
On the stairs down. What's left of them, anyway.
Okay. Ready?
You first. Oh God! Fraser!
Okay. Ready?
You first.
Shit, Fraser! Okay. Ready?
You first. Okay. Where to now?
Look for a way up. we go then. Okay.
They're even more impressive up close.
And we're about to get closer.
They're even more impressive up close.
My apologies. Up here. Come on, this way.
You sure it's safe?
You know, you keep asking me that. It'll save us both some time if you just... Oh boy. It's definitely not safe, by the way.
I saw. Think you can get back up here?
Yeah. Keep going. I'll catch up.
Yeah, I've got you.
All right, I can manage.
Just accept my help.
Fine.
Come on up.
But only because you said please.
I didn't, actually. What you said Ganesh was the remover of obstacles.
He's more than happy to place them in your way if he thinks you'll benefit.
That why the horse I'm chosen for Hanabidu?
He's also the Lord of Good Fortune, the one you pray to for prosperity and success.
Got it. That's cool. Is this really the only way across?
Yep.
You having fun out there?
You know it.
Fraser! Fraser! Really the only way across?
Yep.
You having fun out there?
You know it.
Oh no no! Really the only way across?
Yep.
You having fun out there?
You know it. Woo! Amazing. Fun, right?
That was the craziest thing I've ever done.
In a good way or bad way?
I'll let you know.
Whoa! Got it. You're doing great, China.
I'll be doing better when we get to the crown.
Surprised we haven't seen Hasab yet. Knock on wood.
Oh, he's around. Doubt we'll see him up here.
Why is that?
He doesn't have the stones to climb this high.
I think I see a place we could swing over to the crown. Just a little farther to go. Huh? Oh, thank you.
Hurry up and climb! I'm slipping!
Worth it? Impressive. Yeah.
Now, how do we get off this thing?
Okay. Easy does it.
No! No! Oh God! Fraser!
Here's our way in, courtesy of the Persian army. Wow, nice shot.
Persians must have had a trebuchet.
Trebuchet? Can't you just say catapult like a normal person?
A trebuchet is a type of catapult. It can handle heavier projectiles, like this one, and fling them longer distances.
Right. You learned that in your military training?
I looked it up on Wikipedia, like a normal person.
Ready?
After you.
Incredible. It's our old friends, Parashurama and Ganesh.
Friends? Looks like they're fighting.
Well, when the Hindu gods aren't off fighting demons, they're sometimes fighting each other. I guess it's not really his style.
Shit, Fraser! Did they just carve this whole place out of the mountain?
Sure looks like it.
They barricaded the door. Didn't do them much good.
Guess they didn't expect the Persians to drop in from above.
You'd think after 2 prior invasions, they'd be prepared for anything.
Or they just never thought they'd be defeated. way out of this chamber. Through here.
Right behind you.
Hey, look! Armaments. You were right, Nadine.
I have my moments. It's all Persian.
Looks to be a mix of Persian and Hoysala.
First line of defense.
Now we're getting somewhere. Hey! Another one of these doors. Now let's see. Oh, good! This one actually works. There we go. Nice to get some light.
Feels like a crypt in here.
Crypts and burials aren't really a Hindu thing. They generally favor cremation. It's a beautiful ceremony, Antiyishti, Sanskrit for last sacrifice.
Sacrifice?
The idea is our bodies are merely borrowed vehicles and you're returning it so that others might benefit.
It's a lovely sentiment. Too late for these poor bastards.
Hey, up here. What the hell?
Jesus. This was it? Their final stand.
Ugh. Wasn't enough to save their empire. But their loss is our gain. Here's our way in. Nadine, can you lend a hand with this chap?
Sure.
Come on, old fella. There we go. Excuse me. Sorry.
We must be getting close.
Hopefully closer than these guys.
Well, this device looks familiar.
Let's hope it doesn't turn on the water in here. Oh. Well, that's different.
What is all this?
If I had a guess, I'd say it's some kind of lock mechanism to open that door. Okay, on the left, we have Shiva gifting Parashurama the axe. And on the right, we have Parashurama chopping off Ganesh's tusk.
Wait, with the axe?
Yeah.
The one that Shiva, Ganesh's father, gave to Parashurama?
Yeah.
It's messed up.
That's family. Come on, let's see about opening that door.
So how does all this work?
Only one way to find out. Let's see what this does. Alright, that slid the piece away from me.
It's shattered it too.
Let's try this. Over you go. I see what's happening.
The shadows match the middle.
Right, so let's see if I can line them all up.
This actually looks like fun.
Come on. Okay, what next? There's nowhere for them to go.
You need to move the pieces so the shadows line up with the shapes on the mural. Looks like the left side should be Shiva, X, and Parashurama. The right side should be Parashurama, Tusk, and Ganesh.
Got it.
Figure out which piece goes in the middle, then move the other pieces in the outer ring.
All right, I'll give it a shot. I think that's it.
You did it. Door's open.
Yeah, without any help whatsoever.
You're welcome.
Salah and the tiger. Here we go. Fingers crossed.
That's supposed to happen?
Dunno.
Just don't get us killed.
You're no fun. Ready? Ooh.
Careful. Amazing.
What the Shiva?
My thoughts exactly. Razor?
Ross? Oh no, no, it's okay. I think we're gonna be okay.
Okay. Where the hell's the tusk?
I don't know, none of this makes any sense.
Yeah, it does. The Hoysala sent us on a fool's errand.
I think you're right.
Terrific.
No, hear me out. Ganesh is the symbol of...
Halibadu.
And Shiva, that's the symbol of...
Below.
Which was the old...
The old capital.
Exactly. What if the king built this spectacular city, and it was a wonderful target for the Persians?
And the old capital was forgotten. So this whole city was a decoy.
What if they let it get plundered to protect Balor?
And their treasure.
I'm willing to bet the Tusk was never here at all.
So where's Balor?
Oh, shit.
This is definitely not supposed to happen. It's coming loose! Grab the edge, quick! Tracer! I'm okay! Go!
You alright?
How the hell are we still alive?
Raw talent, and a little bit of luck. Hey, nice work, partner.
Nice work.
Put it there. Jesus, what was that?
I'm really embarrassed for you right now. Hey, correct me if I'm wrong, but wasn't there a huge waterfall here?
There was.
What the hell is that?
Aqueducts. The water's channeling there from the falls.
Amazing. Did we do this just now?
Well, technically I did.
Cocky. Look, sorry if I cut too close to the bone back there.
Oh. That's all right. You know, you two would have got on like a house on fire. He was also a really stubborn dickhead. You know, none of this could have possibly gone unnoticed. We should probably get out of here.
Good point. Follow me.
Right. The water is being channeled toward the gate, so let's...
No, no, no! Razor, come on. Don't have time to play Marco Polo. What?
Nothing.
You alright?
Yeah. It's got water up my nose.
I can put you out of your misery.
I'm good. So they flooded their city to protect their secrets.
You think the soldiers knew they were being used as sequels?
Honesty's not always the best policy.
You need your people behind you 100%.
So you think Assad's keeping his men in the dark?
Undoubtedly.
Okay, bro. We're making progress.
Yeah.
No?
Maybe. But check out this watch. Took it from that old man in the city. Dumb bastard. Didn't give it up easily.
Yeah, I remember.
Right. You take left, I take right.
Are you having doubts?
What the?
That works too. Nice job.
Probably more where that came from.
Right. Yeah. Above you. Nothing personal. There. I'll bet the aqueduct's routed through that structure.
I doubt we're free and clear. Keep an eye out.
God damn it! We've got this! Get to the building! Go! Not so tough, eh?
Must ensure that.
We're asking for that.
No! Stay down, asshole. Come on, this way! Fraser! Fraser! Let's go!
Assistant asshole!
I've got you!
Persistent asshole, aren't you? You all right?
Think so.
Oh, shit.
Where are we?
No idea. But at least we're not in the line of fire. Well, hopefully there's another way out.
That thing carved on the floor. What do you suppose it is?
Nothing good. See those channels? Doubt they were meant for water.
Oh.
Up here. Think there's a way through. Poor bastards.
No, no. I'd prefer being left to rot in a cell to getting tortured. Hear that?
I do. Yep. There's the aqueduct. Up here. There's a breach.
The Eye of Shiva. It's impressive. My man worked for a week and turned up nothing.
They probably hired the wrong expert.
Perhaps. You know, a Hoysala poet once wrote of a young king who showed mercy and thus ended our rituals. But the old kings, they understood that progress demands sacrifice.
Is that what you tell your men?
All right. So, in times of war, these aqueducts, they would run red through the capital. Those who would not fight had to be used to inspire those who would. Goodbye, thief. Goodbye, thief.
Let's make this quick.
Give me back my disc.
Come get it. Need to work on your reflexes.
Swing and a miss.
Proud of yourself?
A little, yeah. Come on.
So slow.
You see, to rule a people, you must first sow chaos.
Wait!
I will incite my civil war, stamp out the weak bloodline of the young king. Starting with you.
Fraser, get him! Son of a bitch! Grab onto something! Anything! Oh, shit! Fraser! Fraser, hey. You okay?
Yeah. I think so.
Hey, take it easy. You've been out for almost half an hour.
Half an hour?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Shit, Saab's got the disc.
Just hang on.
Oh, we gotta get going.
Hey, relax, all right? Think you can manage?
Yeah, I've had worse nights, believe me.
I won't ask. It's good to have you back.
There's two of you now, right?
Yeah,
Okay. Let's go and get our disc.
and some guns.
And some guns.
No, no, no!
Can I just say, you were not joking about Asav. I mean, wow, he looks so unassuming.
Right? That's exactly what he wants. Pretty sure his glasses are an affectation.
To make him look harmless or smart?
Both. But he is smart. Was a doctor before he took up his cause.
So he left behind a lucrative career.
I'm sure at one point he thought it was the right thing to do. Hey, you sure you're good to go?
Good as I'll ever be. Just need to take it easy for a bit.